Pluto site with Monadelphous, Woodside and GE Oil and Gas. We're at the 2K condensate stabilisation compressor, and we're here with our GE Oil and Gas representative, Erasmo Santoro. He's going to give us a bit of a rundown on what we're doing here today and what we've got going.
Okay, so thanks for the microphone. This is a recipe compressor called 4HB/3. That means that is 4 cylinders, 3 stages, driven by main Ansaldo motors, electric motors. So you can see here we have the line number 1, which is the third stage. This is the line number 3, which is the second stage cylinder. If we go there, we can see inside there the plexiglass cover showing that there are crosshairs. Going this way, here we can see a high technology cylinder lubricator, which sending injecting the oil inside the cylinder liner and the tank. So this is the line number 4, which is the first stage, and the other one is the cylinder number 2, also the first stage cylinder. Local gauge board and showing all the operating parameters and some of them is sent also on the DCS just to monitor light on the screen. And here we have bearing gear that need to be bearing over the compressor just prior to the startup or after the maintenance. Okay.
Say goodbye, closing.
So now we are going to stop the machine to detect the temperature. So thank you very much to listen me and see you soon.